Hey everyone, welcome back to Sheetwa. In this video, we will see how to send bulk WhatsApp messages from Excel. Not just that, we will also see how to customize the message so that it has a personal touch and high impact. But first, let's prepare that Excel file. All you really need is a column for numbers. But having a name adds personal touch to the message and also differentiates our message from generic ones. This name that you have in your Excel file will show in the WhatsApp messages exactly how you keep it. So I recommend you to keep the name in such a way that when you send these messages, the personalized messages, your customer should like it. You are free to choose the way you want to keep the names of your customers, whether you want to keep a full name, a first name, or name in capital letters, all up to you. For my purpose, I like to use only the first name. Important thing to note here is the first row should not be blank or it should not contain any other info. The first row must only have the headers of your data. Now that our Excel file is ready, let's get back to WhatsApp verb. Click on this table like icon and launch the extension. Make sure the number that you see here is the number you want to send messages from. Here we click on send message now. On the left, we select this Excel sheets, select the file. It will show you how many sheets are there in your file. Now select the sheet which contains the data. It will tell you how many recipients it found in your sheet. Click on next. This is a very important step. Here you need to map the fields correctly so that the plugin knows where to find the phone numbers and messages you want to send. By default, it selects the country code based on your settings. However, there are various customizations available to suit your data. To choose the phone number, in this drop down, you will see the fields exactly from your Excel sheet. In our Excel sheet, field containing phone numbers was called phone. So we select phone here. For the message, I'll select write message, and now I can type the message or I can copy paste from WhatsApp. I'm going to copy paste the message. Here comes the interesting part of personalizing the message. I'll remove the name, and what I want to do here is insert the field from the Excel sheet so that it fetches the names automatically. I'll click on variables and this will again show me fields from Excel sheet. I'll choose first name because that's what I want to use, and you will see that it is showing in curly brackets. One more thing you can do here is, if you know that you will have to use this message many more times, you can save this message as a template. Let me call it welcome message. Click on done, and welcome message name is showing up here. Click on next. This is the WhatsApp message preview screen. You can see how the message will show on WhatsApp exactly how. You can scroll left and right and see more messages. Make sure everything is looking correct here. Once you are satisfied, click on next. This is an advanced setting screens. We don't want WhatsApp to think that you are a robot and you're trying to spam. So set a reasonable time delay between messages. You can read more by clicking here. For the demo purpose, I'm going to use 10 seconds, but you can increase or decrease as you become more experienced in using the extension. And now it's time to hit send. The messages will start going out, and you will see in real time the stats of how many messages were sent successfully, and if there are any errors, you will be able to see it here. So you saw how easy and amazing it is to send personalized WhatsApp messages in bulk from your Excel. Now it's time for you to follow the steps in the video and try for yourself. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.